What do you got there, Noah?
The fish.
Who caught it?
Me.
All by yourself? All by yourself? It's okay, Nick. Get there, Nick.
My fish is tangled up.
That's okay. Just hold them. It's okay. Just hold them. Let me see your fish. Hold them up high. Wow.
Mine.
Wow. Look at those fish. Okay, go over there by your brother. Okay, we'll put them back in the water. Daddy, come on. We got 2 fish.
Dad, I got a fish. Did you saw Daddy? I got one.
Okay, you guys, turn around and smile. Turn around and smile. Wait till we show Ian and Mikey. They went fishing today, too. They probably got the big ones. Yeah. Let's see, Nikki. Hold it up. Let me see, Nikki. What did you get? You did that all by yourself?
Yeah, he's bleeding.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, throw it back in.
These are for hook. The hook in the last.
Okay. All right, no, I'll put another one. Hold on.
That was the beautiful fish.
Hold on. Let me get Daddy taking this fish off, and then I'll...
I missed that fish.
Oh, it's all right. You couldn't keep it anyways. We were going to throw him back anyway. Hurry. Get him back in the water.
Here, throw it.
Okay.
Throw in the water. Hurry up. Not with the just fish.
Just the fish, not the paper towel.
Not paper towel.
Good job.
Oh man, he's got bleed.
Yeah, from other fish.
Is he going to be okay?
Yeah. He's
Is
going
he
to be
swimming?
fine.
Is he swimming?
Yeah, he's already gone.
I still got my worm.
Oh, all right, Nick. Throw it back in there.
There's no hook.
Okay.
Well, what am I
Whoa.
to do?
There you go. Now just watch the bobber.
There's no hook.
Get some fish.
You get some fish for me?
No, let's see. Look. Yank it, Brian.
Yank it, yank it, yank it.
He got away.
Shave my worm. Took her butt off.
You didn't yank it. Oh, your worm is still there. Throw him out again. Or tie up the worm some more. There you go. Watch that bobber. Wind it one time right now. Now watch that bobber. Watch that bobber. Stop it now. If it goes under, then you just yank it to the right or to the left. And then you start reeling it in. I think they got it.